In this tutorial, we are going to take a tour of different uses of voice commands with Josh. First, let's start simple. To control your kitchen lights using voice commands, tap the microphone icon on the bottom right-hand corner of your Josh app. Then, clearly state, "Turn on the kitchen lights." You'll see the kitchen lights illuminate as your command is executed. Josh also remembers your most recent voice command to offer additional context and convenience. For instance, if you say something like "dim them," Josh will automatically lower the lights you previously activated. Next, we'll delve into music control through voice commands. For playing music in your kitchen, simply say, "Play some music in the kitchen." After your command is acknowledged, tap on the Show Music icon that appears on your screen to adjust the volume, change tracks, or select a different playlist. Moving on to more complex commands, you can control multiple devices simultaneously. Try saying, "Open the first floor shades and dim the lights in the great room." Watch as your home transforms with each command, shades opening, lights dimming, and the ambience completely changing. Josh also allows you to schedule actions. Say, "Lock all the doors at 8 p.m. After your command, the app will show a schedule on the home page, confirming the time when the doors will be locked automatically. Your Josh system is not just about controlling devices. It can also answer general knowledge questions. Ask, "What's the population of France?" and get an instant response. Josh GPT, built into your system, is perfect for more complex questions. For example, ask, "What are some of the best golf courses in the US?" and receive a list of top recommendations. In the kitchen, Josh GPT can be your culinary assistant. For example, you can request, "Give me a great recipe for a unique gluten-free birthday cake," and you'll be presented with a recipe. If you would prefer to text commands to Josh, there's an option for that too. Simply long tap the microphone icon to switch to typing mode and type in your query like, "What's the weather?" We trust this guide on voice control with Josh was informative and inspiring. Give it a try and stay tuned for more Josh tips to enjoy your home intelligence experience to the fullest.